On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily take pinstriping off your car or truck. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Chad's DIY Garage. I'm Chad, this is my garage, and we're going to do it myself. Whatever. Do everything myself for the most part, and most of the time it comes out like complete crap, but at least I can pay somebody else to do it. So today, what I'm going to be doing is showing you how we remove pinstripe on your car or truck or motorcycle or whatever. And we're going to use an Astro. This is the company called Astro Pneumatic Tool Company. But I picked this up at my local paint supply place yesterday. And I had almost actually forgotten about these. And I was just back there kind of browsing around and seeing what kind of spray stuff they had and what I could purchase and make my wife mad. But I forgot they had these, and this is like $13.99. And it is called a Smart eraser pad. I keep wanting to call it a magic eraser, but I don't want the bald guy coming after me. So this is basically just a big eraser, and it comes with threads, and I don't know why it doesn't come with an arbor, because the ones that I've seen online actually come with an arbor that you can screw on there and it'll stick right into your drill. And the premise is this. Hold on. You get a powered drill, okay? Don't try to use this with your battery operated drill. It's not going to work. You're going to be upset, and it's just going to be a shit show. So basically all you're going to do is take this little eraser doodad, stick it in your drill, tighten her up, and go to town. What this is going to do is it's just going to peel off basically friction or whatever. Like I said, it's like an eraser. It's going to peel all this pinstripe off. It is going to leave some residual on there, and you can kind of clean that up with some kind of a detergent or whatever, but it will come right off, and your paint will still be pretty much intact. You will get some little fine scratches in there. I haven't been able to, at least on this. This is Ford Mustang fender, and it did leave some little fine scratches on there. However, we will be able to buff that out if we wanted to use some compound. So if that's the route that you want to go, this is a lot less invasive and a lot easier than using heat, which can screw up your paint. A lot easier and a lot less destructive than using a razor blade. So use this at your own risk. But it does work, and it's very effective. And price-wise, you know, you could do your whole car with this probably a couple times, or a couple different cars. I think you're going to put pinstripe back on and take it back off, but do what you do. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to point the camera in a different direction, which is something I didn't do last night, because this is my second take. I actually uploaded a video last night, and it turned out to be complete shit, and I wasn't happy with it. So when I woke up this morning, I went ahead and deleted it, and we're redoing it, which is why there's no pinstripe on here, because I already did it last night in a video that you don't get to see. So I'm going to take this part and this part off, and you're going to be just amazed. So get your popcorn out, we'll reposition, and we're going to get to town. Okay? Okay. So I've got this loaded up in the drill, and what we're going to do is we're going to hit this corner here on the pinstripe at about a 60-degree angle, somewhere close to that. You don't want to try to do it straight on. You want to use the edge, and you're going to see how well this thing works. Make sure that you're going in the right direction, which we are. And you want to make sure that your drill is not going to be capable of going over 4,000 RPMs. This one goes up to 3,000, so we're in good shape as far as that goes. So I'm going to go ahead and show you really quick how well this thing works. I hope this goes well on the first take, because I'm going to be out of pinstripe and then we're not going to have a video. So let's check this out, and I'll show you how easily this is to get off. Now that's just some residual dust or whatever. And you can see that's coming off, so we'll be able to get that off real easy. And we'll move down here to this bigger piece. And it makes it a little bit difficult because my little stand that I built is kind of flimsy and probably not sturdy enough to do this correctly, but it is what it is. Just like that, it's gone. I'm going to clean this up real quick and I'll show you what we look like after we're finished. So I'm just going to use a little bit of wax and tar remover, put it on a microfiber towel. They're all nice and wet. Giggity. And we're just going to rub it in there. So there you go. Looks good. A little bit of scuffing, nothing a little bit of compound and a buffer won't take care of. And it doesn't scratch the shit out of your paint. So if you've got a car that you just want to get the pinstripe off because it looks fugly, this is the way to do it. And if you're getting ready to paint and you're not wanting to sand that off, you know, the pinstripe, which really sucks. Sanding pinstriping sucks. So this is the way to go, in my opinion. Way better than using knives or razor blades or heat or fire or torches or whatever, because I've been there and it sucks. So for under 15 bucks, I don't think you can beat it. Thank you so much, YouTube, for watching my channel, for watching this video, and for supporting me. It really does mean the world to me. I've got a CB radio install that I'm going to be doing here very soon. I really want to get it done this week, so I'll have some footage of that. And I am going to actually give you guys some insight on how the CB works, different antennas, how they work, and what you can use CB for. I know it's kind of an old trucker thing, but I have a feeling with the way things are going here, CB might be making a comeback. So I'm going to go ahead and get ahead of the game and get one installed in my pickup truck, and we're gonna have a good time with it. So Breaker 19, this here's the rubber duck. That is actually my handle. It's been my handle for about 30 years. I have been on CB radio for about 30 years, and that's been my handle the entire time. So no rip off of a convoy, but that is my handle. So Rubber Duck signing out, and I do want to say thank you very much to my wife. I love you, sweetheart. Thank you so much for allowing me to put some money into this channel and produce some content for everybody else to see. So thanks again, guys. Have a great one. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell notification. If you have got anything you want to say, please hit me up in the comments. I love to see what you guys are saying, hear what you guys are saying, and I try to respond to just about everything. So it gives me something to do. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great one.